The base rails within a GridFlex 10 system array are separated by two alternating measurements: the L1 spacing, positioned beneath a single module in each row, and the L2 spacing, positioned between the ends of two adjacent modules in a row. In layouts occupied with high ballast counts, a ballast rail brace may be necessary to reinforce the ballast rails within the L1 spacings. To install, place a brace between the ballast rails and rotate it into position, so that the end with the short hook will engage with the south ballast rail. Turn the rail brace so that it is upright, and engage the short hook into the top edge of the south ballast rail. Then twist the opposite end of the brace beneath the north ballast rail. Once it clears, pull the large hook up so that it snaps over the top edge of the north ballast rail. You can then slide it into position at the center of the L1 space. A single brace is enough at each L1 spacing in a row. Even with the ballasting at full capacity, one brace is strong enough to reinforce the ballast rails. If a ballast rail brace must be removed, the process can be done in reverse. Simply pop the large hook off of the north ballast rail, rotate the brace and disengage its other end from the south ballast rail, and then slide it out from beneath.